the next one we're gonna make is actually full-on dairy. Super simple. You're gonna need a can of black olives. You could do Kalamata. I don't know about green, but you could try. You're gonna do some sour cream. Now, if you wanted to do dairy-free, you could do the sour cream as a dairy-free sour cream. I actually wanted dairy for this one. And some garlic powder. That's it. First thing you'll do, I can give this to you.
Okay.
You open
That's something I can handle.
and strain.
Okay.
I am gonna get a bowl. All right, we're gonna drain them off. Would you mind grabbing a knife? Big one.
A big sharp one?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Whoop. Since it's gonna be football. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Ah!
Come on.
Thank you. All right. Take your can of olives. Go through. Chop them up. Now, you asked a question earlier. Why wouldn't you just go to the store and buy already minced olives? You can do that. Here's why I don't. It takes 2 seconds to kind of do rough chops, and it will save you a ton of money. I can buy 1 can of olives for how many small cans of dice do you think this would be? Probably a good 3. So that's why I do it myself. Saves you money. You pay for convenience.
This looks pretty easy to do.
It's just a matter of cut the olives up into, you kind of want a mince. Okay. Spoon. Sour cream. Like I said, this time we will be using dairy. Bowl. Empty your sour cream into the bowl. Okay. Add your olives. Lots of olives. Okay. We're going to mix that all up and bring it over here. All right, now if you've ever watched any of our other videos, you know that I am a fiend for garlic. But I will try to show some restraint. A little bit of garlic powder. Again, I'm not measuring because this is going to be up to your taste. I'm going to go with maybe half a teaspoon to start. Okay? Mix it in. I will also tell you that the flavor of the garlic will infuse into the dip the longer it sits. So you might think, oh, it's not very garlicky right now. Just wait, it will be. I can tell by looking at it, it's not enough. At least not for me. But you see, I'm being very careful. All right, this one I would pair with pretzels and the Frito chips.
Frito chips again?
Try it.
Yeah, I like the Frito chips.
If you like it, maybe this could be a topping for a baked potato if you want to do some type of a baked potato bar. What do you think? More garlic, less garlic.
That's perfect amount. More garlic would be too much.
There you go. 3 ingredients. Done.
I think I like the pretzel better with that.
Yep.
Yeah. Want to try one?
No.
Mm.
We also have crackers. Maybe you'd prefer it on a cracker.
Cracker probably good.
That'd be good too. What do you think so far?
This is really good stuff.
You could do this with the chip. Oh, well.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, this would be perfect for a get together or football thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So there's one. There's one. Okay. So we've got 2 dips. I don't know if you guys are keeping track, but haven't used very many ingredients yet.